In this episode, we're going to be looking at the beautiful scenery that Minnesota has to offer in the fall. It was absolutely gorgeous. Multiple sunsets and just beautiful leaves changing. Sorry if this video seems kind of all over the place. There was a lot going on the past 3 days. Hope to have you come along for this ride. It was an enjoyable one. Welcome back to another video. And today is going to be kind of a slow day for filming. Just gotta edit and then do some schoolwork. But first thing we're gonna be doing this morning is taking a shower. And we're gonna figure that one out together. Well, here goes nothing. Well, that wasn't that bad, but I'm gonna go finish this shower in the bathroom, so yeah, I'm not gonna take the camera in there. Whoa! After about 3 hours of sitting in a quick start, waiting for that power bank to charge, and just getting some schoolwork done, I'm officially finished for the day. And I got caught up for a few days actually, so we're smooth sailing from now on. Yep, today it was just a little bit of a kind of a breather from just all the traveling I've been doing. I'm kind of just staying in limbo mode around here for a little while. But tomorrow I have plans on moving farther down the North Shore. Yeah, just kind of being on Lake Superior for a few days and then gonna hit the road in a few days and get out of this region. But you know, this has been one heck of a learning experience. Yeah, just kind of getting to know the land a little bit more about northern Minnesota and Wisconsin. Gonna go watch the sunset and get a little reading done and just, you know, have a nice relaxing, chill time. Might be a little bit too windy for reading. The page is just kind of flopping everywhere, but let's take a second to admire this. It's actually visible today, so you can kind of see way down there the other side. That's like 20 some miles away. I'm just gonna chill out for a little while and kind of just take this all in, because only got a few more days up on the North Shore and kind of live them up. Absolutely beautiful out tonight. Just kind of sitting here soaking it all in. Not a bad way to end the night. And we're watching this huge ship right here just put it into the dock. A little bit bigger than my 21-foot boat, but probably runs through a lot more fuel than mine too. It is an absolute beautiful night, but with the sun falling, it is starting to get cold. It is roughly low 50s right now, and honestly, it's pretty cold. So tonight, I got my 0-degree sleeping bag, so we should be all right. But oh, absolutely gorgeous. And like no one's on this break wall with me. Some good alone time with nature is what the doctor ordered for tonight. So we're gonna start this walk back to my truck and settle down where we settled down last night. And then tomorrow, like I said, moving farther down the North Shore, gonna be exploring some new places. Oh. Right now it is about 49 degrees outside Fahrenheit. Whew, that's pretty dang chilly, not gonna lie. Well, I'm all safe and sound, tucked in to go to bed. So I'm gonna see you guys in the morning. Well, it's a nice cloudy and windy day in the North Shore of Minnesota, and gonna be moving north. But first, just gotta, you know, do some morning essentials. It is a freaking cold morning. Oh my gosh. It only says 57 degrees, but it's way colder than that. I guarantee it. This can is so, I'm surprised there isn't ice chunks in here. But I think we need to go fill up on some fuel and then make our way down the North Shore a little farther. Well, right now we're driving on Scenic Highway 61, and this is probably one of the most beautiful highways I've ever driven on. Lake Superior is not looking like a happy fellow today. There's a bunch of white caps and some big rolling waves out there. So luckily we're not out there today. We've still got about an hour drive, and yeah, we're just gonna have a good time. Well, we made it to my destination, and I'm just looking for a spot to stay tonight. Sorry if you can hear the wind behind me, but I gotta show you guys a spot. Pretty beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous out here, but I'm just gonna find a place for tonight, and then we can go into the little town and do a little bit of shopping. We have arrived in a beautiful city. Kind of a tourist attraction right now though, so quite a few people. But I can tell why it's a tourist attraction. Oh my gosh.
You want like all the quarters in one?
Well, after shopping around a little bit, I found my campsite for the night. It's gonna be right somewhere in there. There's actually public restrooms right here, which is, you know, always good. Now that guy, he has it figured out. I found a little bit of a, I found a boat ramp. It's just a little pull off. And I think this is a perfect place to cook some lunch. So let's go ahead and do that. Then I also bought some fudge from a lady. over in Grand Marais. Some maple fudge. Whew. Can't be that, man. That's super good. I think we need to get one last look at this spot and then clean up and get out of here. So one of those moments where you're just like, am I really here? Like, am I really looking at this? Got the power bank charging for the night. Found a little sneaky outlet, but right now I'm just kind of enjoying the beautiful scenery. Whoa, 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 whoa. Even the rocks are just kind of different up here. It's absolutely beautiful. Right now it looks like something straight out of a movie. But ended up also going over to a little gas station and getting some sandwiches. And if you guys have never had kipper snacks, smoked herring is really good. And we also got some dessert with good old-fashioned Oreos. But once that sun falls behind that little hill we got there, it's gonna get freaking cold quick. Might save these two for tomorrow at some point. Well, I think it's so beautiful, I'm gonna have to break out the old drone. So enjoy the montage. This is actually one of the most beautiful sunsets I've ever witnessed in my life. I really wanted to come and see the North Shore, and I'm definitely going to do it again. Well, it's cold. I don't know if you can tell, but I got goosebumps right now. Well, another day, another colored hat. All right, let's go charge that power bank first of all, since it's early enough that there's not a lot of people here. that that power bank's fully charged, we can go to now our next destination, which is, it's a ski resort, and you actually get to ride like this tranny cart up and just look at the beautiful colors of Minnesota. So, you know, I'm gonna go look at that because I think I seen it on TikTok last night actually. Looked it up. Like I said, it's 15 minutes down the road. So, you know, might as well go see it while I'm up here. Gonna be a good experience to remember. So, gonna boogie on over there. Let's get up on that tranny cart. We're now on the little tranny cart that's gonna take us all the way to the top of this hill. This is insane. Oh my gosh, dude. This is actually crazy. It is a little windy up in this thing though, so hopefully we don't start flipping. Got a beautiful view of Lake Superior right there. Whew. It's like National Geographic stuff. Just, well, got one last look. It's pretty dang cold up here and windy. So I think I'm gonna descend down and then move off the North Shore, sadly. It's just so beautiful here. Whew. But one more look, it's just insane. Lake Superior just goes forever. But let's get moving back down and get back to the old truck. Oh. Oh. Well, that was really cool. Absolutely beautiful. Well, as you can tell by my hair, not looking too good. So we're gonna do what we did last time with the whole shower situation and get that all figured out. Oh. That's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Well, now I'm gonna go in the bathroom and, you know, do the rest of the shower. Well, went ahead and decided to grab a quick lunch, and then I'm just gonna look on Google Maps for a little while and see a place I want to go to, and we're gonna get headed. So let's get on the road. Well, been on the road for about 4 hours now, and we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. Let's get our gear on and let's go try and get a bite. Let's go throw the jerkbait around for a little bit. Beautiful sunset behind us. I think we haven't had one bad sunset this entire trip. Super blessed for that. absolutely gorgeous tonight. I think Minnesota just has to have the best sunsets ever. I'm not gonna lie, it's awesome here. Don't really have anything else planned for the night, so yeah, it's just gonna be another night in the camper setup, which you guys have seen. So I gotta edit this video tonight actually, so this is gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for tuning in so much to this little series I'm doing. There's gonna be one more video after this one, and then I'm going home soon because I didn't plan enough for 2 weeks. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means the world to me. If you would, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out. This is my dream. Or if you want to buy some of my baits or bumper stickers, byronsbaits.com, link down in the description below. Thank you so much for tuning in this video, like I've already said. But as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.